Okay, it's pretty early in the morning. Today I drove up to Kent Falls State Park near Kent, Connecticut. Bit of a drive. Hopefully it'll be worth it. There's two sets of falls, lower and upper. And as you can probably tell, I'm walking to the upper falls. So I have no idea what we're gonna find, but we'll see when we get there. Okay, I made it to the upper falls, and I think it's nicer than the lower falls. I'll turn this around so you can see. It's very picturesque. It's still pretty dark, so I've got my camera on a tripod here, my remote shutter release, and I'm going to do a 30-second exposure. That water will look very smoothed out and very white, I think, against the darker water and the darker rocks. The nice thing is there's some greenery in the trees as well, as you see. And so this one I might be able to do in color. It doesn't look good, I'll try black and white, but I'm planning on color. And you can't quite see it on there, but I'll show you on the screen. It's a very pretty shot, very nice. Okay, well, I guess there's an upper falls because I kept climbing and I found these falls here. There's another one way up there as well. What I'm trying to do here is to get some of the detail to these little falls. Just the little ones coming off of the cliff edge. I can still use about a 6-second exposure. And so you'll still get that smoothing effect of the water, but again, focusing on the detail. Yeah, it's a good shot. Look at this one. Well, I found another spot that is very pretty. I'll show you this way. And what I'm going to try to do here is, if you notice in the foreground, there's some bubbles in the water, some whiteness, that kind of just circling. And if I can get a long enough exposure, those circles will look like a swirl in the water. So that'll be sort of my foreground interest. And then I'll have those nice falls in the back that will provide a great backdrop for it. It's very shaded here, so I'm able to do about a 13-second exposure, and it's a cool shot. Check this one out. Alright, I made it up to the very top of the falls. You can see behind me, really a spectacular view. I grew up in Connecticut, I've never been here, and it's fantastic. So I'll do about 2-second exposure because it's kind of bright. And I'll pick up a shot. I'm pretty happy with it. It was a good morning.